repeat the contraindication again. So if you're suffering from any ailment, like you have hypertension or you have high blood pressure, या कोई जैसे recent surgery कराया है या periods अभी है, तो avoid extreme cardio activity. और the reason we chose cardio because COVID अभी टाइम में बाहर लेग्स की मूवमेंट एकदम लिमिटेड हो गई है, ब्लड सर्कुलेशन पुअर हो गया है, there is no movement, so blood supply जो है स्टेगनेंट है पैरों में, और हार्ट को भी एक्सरसाइज नहीं मिल रही है. तो इसीलिए हमने सोचा 15 मिनट हम लोग थोड़ा करते हैं, उसके बाद we'll go towards प्राणायाम सेक्शन, जिसमें अगेन we have chosen very simple प्राणायाम जिसपे कोई कॉन्ट्रा इंडिकेशन नहीं है. So with that, without wasting much time, let's start. I'm going to pin Pratibha's screen and you can follow. And Pratibha, keep your instruction Hindi and English both. ठीक है?
Yeah.
रीजन है ना, प्लीज आप अपने स्टेमिना का ध्यान रख के करें और अपने घुटनों का भी ध्यान रख के करें. बी अवेयर दैट यू डू नॉट put unnecessary pressure on your lower limbs, especially on your knee joint and ankle joint. All right, अपनी सेहत का ध्यान रखें. हम यहाँ सेहत बनाने आए, बिगाड़ने नहीं आए. Because we from our side, because it is a virtual platform, जितना होगा we will try and keep you aware. But ultimately आपको ध्यान रखना है. If it is going beyond your limit, then stop there, stop, and then again start with the slow pace. All right. So आप लोग खड़े हो जाएं, and it would be better if you video अगर अपना.
नहीं, let them sit for the start first. Let them sit.
Yeah. I'll just pin you.
First, I'll do the warm-up stretches, then
Right.
You have to go little far.
Home, that would be great, so that we can observe, and if there is anything which needs correction, we can point it out.
Chalo. Hello everyone. Good morning. Welcome for the today's practice. First, we begin with in our sitting position only. Wherever you are sitting, on a chair, on your mat, sit comfortably with cross leg or half lotus pose, half padmasana, or whichever pose is comfortable for you. Yes. After you settle down sitting, just place your palms on your knees facing upwards towards the ceiling. And now gently close your eyes. First, we start with centering. Just be there with yourself. अपनी सांसों के साथ रहिए. एक एक सांसों की गिनती रखनी है. धीरे से close your eyes. आंखों को बंद कर लीजिए. Now just start connecting to your breath. कैसे आप inhale करते हो और कैसे आप exhale करते हो, इसी पे ध्यान दीजिए. Slowly and gently take deep breath in and deep breath out. You're going to keep a count of each and every incoming breath and each and every outgoing breath. कैसे आप inhale करते हो, कैसे आप exhale करते हो. Feel when you inhale, feel the cool breath going in, passing through your nasal passage and going in. And while you exhale, feel the warm breath coming out from your nasal passage and going out. Just be there with yourself. Connect with your breath. Thoughts are coming. Let it come and pass by. You're going to devote this 30 to 40 minutes for yourself. Just be there with yourself. अपने आप में ही रहिएगा. अपनी सांसों पे ध्यान दीजिए. Deep inhale करते वक्त, see to it your abdomen goes up. While exhaling, the abdomen sinks in. You can keep your right palm on your navel and just see the breath coming in and going out. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. While inhaling, the stomach goes up. While exhaling, the stomach sinks in. Just be there. 2-3 easy breaths. Now keeping your eyes closed only. The palms are facing upwards. We'll start with first cleansing technique, that is Kapalbhati. We'll take 3 rounds of Kapalbhati as such. That inhalation will be, yes.
We'll start with cardio first. वो बाद में ले लेंगे.
Okay, fine. Okay,
जल्दी से, because then we have to wind
just
up
be
the
there.
session.
Yeah. 2-3 easy breaths. Now gently open your eyes and we start with our warm-ups first. Okay. Those who are joining now, welcome again. We start with warm-ups first, sitting only. Those who are sitting on the chair will continue on the chair only. First, we start with neck rotations. Neck rotations will be such, the hands are by the side of your body. Place it on the side of your thighs on the mat. Yeah, now take your chin to the chest. Now from here, inhaling, you will start from the right side. Inhale from the right, look up, go back, exhaling, come down. We take 5 rounds from the right side and then 5 rounds from the left side. Complete neck rotation. Continue doing it. Inhaling from the right, go up, exhaling, come down from the left. 2. Perfect. Continue doing it. 3. Inhale, go up, look back, exhaling, come. This will give a nice flexibility to your neck muscles, give a nice stretch to your neck muscles. And 5. Same way we start from the left side, anti-clockwise. Again, your chin to the chest. Start from the left side, inhaling from the left, look up, go back, exhaling, come down. Perfect. Keep doing it. 2, left, inhale, go up, go back, exhaling, come down from the right. 3, perfect. 4, do it very slowly and gently without any jerky movements.
They can remove specs. अगर आपने specs पहना है तो specs निकाल के कीजिए, कोई जरूरत नहीं है. And try to keep your
Yeah.
window on.
And
अगर आप
last
कर रहे हो तो
5.
we will correct you.
Yeah. Inhale, look up, go back, exhaling, come down from the right. Perfect neck rotations. Now we come towards our shoulders. For that, stretch your hands in front, open your fingers wide. Yes, complete rotation of your hands will give a nice rotation to your shoulder. Perfect. Inhale, stretch your hands in front, take it up, bring it from the down, from back. Exhaling, bring it down. Perfect. One more time. Inhale, go up, take it back. Exhaling, bring it down. 3. Inhale, stretch it up. Exhale, bring it down. 4. And last, inhale, stretch up. Exhaling, bring it down. 5. Now we reverse it. Inhaling, take it back first. Take it up. And exhaling, try and bring it from the front. Perfect. Inhale, stretch your hands completely. Wide open your fingers. Stretch your hands completely. Exhaling, bring it down. One more time. 3. Take it up. Exhaling, bring it down. 4. Inhale, stretch up. Exhaling, bring it down. One last time. 5. Inhale, stretch it up. And exhale, bring it down. Perfect. Now place both the palms at the side of your thighs on your mat. Now raise your left hand up, stretch it up as much as you can. Now slide the right palm on the side. Give a nice lateral bend to your sides. Stretch. Once you stretched completely, then place the elbow on the mat. Stretch. 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, come up. Exhale, take the hand down. Inhale, stretch the right hand up. Exhaling, slide the left palm on the mat. Place the left elbow down and stretch the right hand as much as you can. 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, come up. Exhale, hand down. One more time. Stretch your left hand up. Those who are sitting on the chair will take the armrest support and go down. Perfect. Exhaling, go down, place the right palm, right elbow down, and stretch the left hand up. 2, 3, 4, 5.
Pratibha,
Inhale, come
Hindi,
up.
Hindi.
Exhaling, yes. लेफ्ट palm को नीचे रख दीजिए. राइट हैंड को स्ट्रेच कीजिए ऊपर. Exhaling, go towards your left side. अभी लेफ्ट एल्बो को नीचे रख दीजिए and stretch your right hand up completely. Stretch. 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, come up. Exhale, relax. Relax over here completely. अभी दोनों हाथों को सामने मिला लीजिए. Don't touch it, parallel to each other. Now inhale करते हुए दोनों हाथों को ऊपर खींच लीजिए. यहीं पे हम कंप्लीट एक्सेल करेंगे पहले. अभी इनहेल करते हुए वापस हम लोग राइट साइड पे स्ट्रेच करेंगे. दोनों हाथों को साइडवेज स्ट्रेच करना है. परफेक्ट. स्ट्रेच. 2, 3, 4, 5. इनहेल करते हुए सेंटर में आ जाइए. Exhaling to your left. Stretch both the hands up. Stretch it up. 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, come in the center. Exhaling, हाथों को नीचे ले लीजिए. Perfect. Now हम लोग थोड़ा ट्विस्टिंग करेंगे. अभी जो राइट पाम है उसको लेफ्ट घुटने पे रख दीजिए. जो दूसरा हाथ है लेफ्ट उसको पीछे पहले प्लेस कर दीजिए सेंटर ऑफ द बैक. अभी यहाँ इनहेल करेंगे और exhaling twist to your left. Exhale and twist. Stay there. 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, come in the center. अभी जो लेफ्ट पाम है उसको राइट नी पे रख दीजिए. राइट घुटने पे रख दीजिए और जो राइट पाम है उसको पीछे पहले प्लेस कर लीजिए. इनहेल सेंटर में करो और एक्सेल करते हुए ट्विस्ट योर राइट साइड. ट्विस्ट as much as you can and look back. Look back. Perfect. Stay there. 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, come in the center. One more time. Twist to your left. Right palm को लेफ्ट घुटने पे रख के ट्विस्ट हो जाइए लेफ्ट साइड. 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, come in the center. Exhaling, twist to your right. Place the left palm on the right knee. Twist to your right side. 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, come in the center. And exhaling, relax. Relax over here completely. दोनों पैरों को सामने खोल दीजिए. We'll stretch our toes in and out for 5 times. Yeah. Or again, when you stretch your legs out, back को straight कर लीजिए. हथेलियों को नीचे दबा के back को straight कर लीजिए. Now, take your toes out and in. Out and in. Stretch it as much as you can. जितना हो stretch की तरह. 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect. Yes. Now complete rotation. Complete rotation. Yeah. Full rotation with your feet. Both feet together. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Perfect. This was complete stretch to your legs also. Now we all get up, stand up. Yeah. अपने मैट पे खड़े हो जाइए. Can you see me now? Yeah. First we start with spot jogging on our mat. Okay. Yeah. Those who are sitting on the chair will just take the leg up and down on the chair only while sitting. Okay. Others will start with me with spot jogging. Okay. Very slowly take the hand movement front and back. Perfect. Yes, start. 1, 2,